spoon, some glue, any type of glue. I'm using clear today. Some activator or borax. I got these containers to put my slime in, some clay, and some food coloring. And here I have a scented one. So, first what I'm going to be pouring in is my glue. Okay, now we're going to be adding the food coloring in. I'm going to be using purple first. Now I'm going to be mixing it now. Okay, now that the purple's all mixed, now we're going to add the activator. So I'm gonna first, when I make my slime, I'm gonna first put it into the container, and then I'm gonna, after all the slimes are done, I'm gonna put all the clay in it. So I would show you guys what it looks like after it's done. Okay. Now I think our slime is good. Yep. Maybe just a few more. I gotta get all the activator in it so it can be not sticky. There we go. Now I'm gonna put this in my little cup. Okay, so I found out that the purple would stay in, but it's okay because we're going to mix the slime anyways. So let's pour it in the glue again. Okay, now I'm going to be doing glue. But just one little hint, do not mix it with your hands or your hand will get dyed by the food coloring. Okay, now that our glue is finished, we're going to put it into our little container and we're going to set it aside so we can make the pink slime. And after this, we will set all the clay in. Okay, now we're going to pour in the glue again. Okay, now here comes the scented pink food coloring. You put the glue in? See how pretty the pink is?
Yep.
And you can already smell the cherry. Okay, now that the pink is all mixed in, now we're going to add the activator. Okay.
The clay, like for the smush them all together to make like pink, blue, and purple.
Actually, that's a good question, William. No, because when we put the clay in, it'll make a lighter color to look like mermaid slime. Unicorn slime. Okay, now that our pink is all mixed up, we're going to put it into our little container. the pink. Now that we mixed all of our clay into our slimes, now we're going to mix them all together and see what it turns out like. So I'm going to stretch them, and I'm going to put them together, and you guys are going to see the rebound. That's so beautiful, guys. And by the way, I kind of added too much activator, but it was kind of hard to mix. But we solved our problem, and I still mixed it no matter what to do this video for you. Now that we mixed it, this is how it turned out. I didn't want to mix it for you guys because I thought the unicorn color was really beautiful. And look it almost looks like a beautiful galaxy color. Now, I don't know how big this slime can fit in my containers, but wow, it actually fit, guys. Now look it on the top. You can see a little bit white, but it's so beautiful because it looks like clouds. And on the sides, it's so beautiful. Well, that was the end, guys. I hope you liked the video. This is Jalen and William's Toy Reviews. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe and comment down below. Bye, guys!